boys and girls from Marist. I'm Inja, dedicated to fixing global computer problems. Last week, they developed an artificial intelligence to combat climate change. Everything was going well until the AI decided that the best way to combat climate change was by eliminating the human race from planet Earth. Since then, it has been blocking all educational and informational websites of all kinds to prevent humans from learning anything. If we don't stop this artificial intelligence, soon we won't be able to teach anything in schools, high schools, and university. People will become ignorant, spending all day watching videos of cute cats and pets doing funny things. We need to disconnect the artificial intelligence. To do so, we have to disconnect the server from the network. But to enter the server room, we need a combination of 7 numbers. We have to enter the combination correctly on the first try, or the door will close forever. We might lose all human knowledge in a matter of seconds. Follow the clues and don't let yourselves be fooled.